Welcome. In this video, we will explain the steps and requirements for getting a title and registration for your vehicle in Illinois and the services provided by the Illinois Secretary of State. First, let's talk about what a car title and car registration are. The car title is a legal document that proves you own your vehicle. In Illinois, the car title is also referred to as a certificate of title. On the other hand, a registration is a document that allows you to operate your vehicle on Illinois roads. Together, these documents ensure you can legally drive your car in Illinois. Now, there's a slight difference if you're buying from a dealer versus a private seller. If you're purchasing your shiny new ride from a dealer, you can sit back and relax, as they'll typically handle the title and registration for you. But if you're getting your car from a private seller, you'll need to apply for a title and registration yourself at your local Secretary of State office. The first step is gathering your required documents. First off, you will need proof of ownership. This could be a manufacturer's certificate of origin if the car is brand new, or the previous title. If it's used, don't forget to have it signed by the previous owner. Next, the bill of sale. This document protects both parties from disputes about the condition of the car and when the sale was completed. Next up is proof of Illinois insurance. Make sure you have the necessary paperwork handy. This can be your insurance card or policy. Remember, your insurance must meet the minimum coverage requirements in Illinois. Lastly, you'll need a valid identification. A driver's license or state ID should do the trick. Remember, having these documents ready before starting the process is crucial. Now that you have all your documents, it's time to complete the application for vehicle transactions application, also known as VSD 190. Make sure the vehicle information on the title is the same as on the application. Verify that the title is properly assigned from the seller to the buyer and that the buyer's name in the assignment area is the same as on the application. Be sure that the odometer reading is certified properly on the back of the title and that the date of sale is indicated. Check the vehicle identification number on the title with the number on the dash or door of the vehicle. Check if vehicle use tax must be paid. Tax must be paid on all vehicle sales between individuals. Indicate the number of the temporary TRP if issued. Next, you can complete and print an application for vehicle transactions, VSD 190 online. Or you may obtain title and registration applications by visiting the nearest Secretary of State facility, or call the Illinois Secretary of State's office for help in completing the application. By properly completing your vehicle title and registration applications, the Secretary of State office can process your request more quickly and efficiently. The application for vehicle transaction form is crucial, and accuracy is key. Any errors or omissions can lead to delays and complications, so take your time and double-check your information. Now, it's important to note that specific document requirements may change over time, so don't forget to check with the Illinois Secretary of State's Vehicle Services Department to confirm these details. Next, check for any existing liens on your car. Now, you might wonder, what is a lien? Simply put, a lien is a legal claim or a right against property to secure payment of a debt or an obligation. If your car has an outstanding lien, it means someone else has a legal claim over it, usually because the previous owner still owes money on the car. In case of a lien, you need to ensure it's satisfied. How? By obtaining a lien satisfaction document from the lien holder, which is typically a bank or other financial institution. This document is a written statement that the debt has been fully paid off. If there is a lien on your car, you will need to provide the lien holder's information as well. It's crucial to verify the current procedures for addressing liens with the Illinois Secretary of State's office. Once you ensure there are no liens, you can proceed to the next step. The next step? It's time to pay the fees. First up, there's the title fee, a flat fee you'll need to pay to get your vehicle's title. Then comes the registration fee, which is an annual cost that keeps your vehicle legally on the road. Illinois also has a sales tax that applies when you purchase a vehicle. The exact amount will depend on the purchase price of your car, so it's important to factor this into your budget. These fees can be paid in a couple of ways. If you prefer doing things digitally, you can pay them online through the Illinois Secretary of State's website. Or you can pay them in person at your local Secretary of State office. You've gathered your documents, filled out the application, and paid the fees. Now it's time to submit your application. Submitting your application can be done in two ways, in person at an Illinois Secretary of State office, or by mail to the office of the Secretary of State. If you choose to mail, ensure to use a secure and traceable mail service. This will help you to track your documents and confirm their delivery. It's always a good idea to keep a copy of everything you send. Remember, the mailing address will be on the application form. Once your application is processed, you'll receive your new car title and registration in the mail. And there you have it. We've walked through gathering your documents, filling out the application, handling the fees, and finally submitting your paperwork. It's a process, sure, but it's one you can absolutely handle. If you found this video helpful, please push the like button and subscribe and share it with others. Stay tuned for our next video. Series 1, How to Get Your Driver's License in Illinois. Thanks for watching and happy motoring.